In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up branching logic in Typeform. If you want your form to feel smarter and more personalized, branching is a great feature to use. It allows you to send people to different questions based on how they answer earlier ones, so they only see the questions that are relevant to them. This helps create a smoother experience for respondents and can also improve completion rates by keeping the form short and focused. To begin, open your Typeform and look toward the panel on the right side of the screen. In that panel, click on Logic. This is where Typeform gives you tools to control how your form behaves beyond the standard question order. If you've never used it before, think of it as the area where you build rules that guide each respondent through a customized path. Once you're in the Logic section, select Branching and Calculations. This is the option that lets you create dynamic paths based on answers. It's especially useful when your form includes follow-up questions that only apply to certain people. Instead of showing everyone every question, you can make the form respond intelligently to each answer. Next, choose the question you want to base the rule on, and then set up an if-then condition. For example, you might create a rule that says if question 1 is answered with yes, then the respondent should go directly to question 3. This is the core of branching logic. One answer leads to one path, while a different answer can lead somewhere else. As you build this, make sure you select the correct question and answer choice so the flow works exactly the way you intend. Take a moment to review the logic before saving it. A small mistake in the condition or destination can send people to the wrong place in your form, so it's worth double checking. Clear branching rules make your form easier to complete and help you collect more accurate responses. When everything looks right, click Save to apply the dynamic pathing rules. This final step activates the logic you've created, so your form will now guide respondents based on their answers. And that's it. Once saved, your Typeform will behave in a more interactive and efficient way, showing people only what they need to see. If you're creating surveys, applications, quizzes, or lead forms, branching can make a big difference in how professional and user-friendly your form feels.